Hey guys, I'm Mike and today we're in stormworks. You know the game where we always end up losing our vehicle and stuff? Yeah, that's what game we're in. You can still hear the wheels doing absolutely horrible in the back wagon thing. I don't know why or how, but they are. So that's fun. Okay, I just need to fix this real quick. Yeah. I had to turn that off so I could actually make a decent intro, because imagine trying to make an intro and all you can see is 5 feet in front of you. This thing should have more wheels, I'm not even gonna lie. And you can't say it's meant to be a boat more than it is a car. No, it's meant to be a car more than it is a boat. Because, I mean, it's a boat car, but it is so much slower as a boat than it is as a car. The thing is for some reason it should, especially on this back here, it should at least have a dually on the back. But, like, it should just have more wheels in general. Let's go in the first person and see if we can see poop. Nope. Can't even see 5 feet in front of me yet. Well, I'm kind of, never mind. I don't have a choice, I have to hold down the drive button. I don't know what the fuel valve does. If you made this thing twice as long, it'd be a train. I'm not gonna lie, driving a train right now sounds a lot funner than using whatever the flip this is gonna be. The main problem I had with this thing, as you guys know last episode, is first of all, you can't see poop on the water when it's, you know, really bad weather in stormworks, which is kind of not the boat's fault, that's just the weather's fault. And, on top of that, it's just, the only problem I had with this boat was how much fuel it chugged. Right now I had to turn on infinite fuel so we can at least get this one person to the hospital without, you know, making a 10-hour long video. And you can see where we got. We started with like 50. We started like 5,000 fuel. And we drove like 2 kilometers and we were down to like 100. Where are you? Oh, please don't drift into the building. I say please don't drift into the building as I almost drift into the pig. Oh, my door was open. Boing. Time to check for crates. And for those of you who don't know, yes, crates do spawn in certain areas. I'm just gonna leave every door open practically. Like, for example, you know the first medical base. If you play this game, you know the first medical base you have to go to. Where you take the flaming boat guys to if you have the tutorial thing on. Yeah, in that tutorial, that hospital, if you go back, in one of the rooms in the back, there's always a crate. I seen it. My doggo just walked in. My dog was just like, hello there. What the dog doing? What? Oh, okay. I was about to say. Also, I'm gonna put this up and see if that does anything. Double check that the wheels are working right. If they seem to be connected properly. Is everything in here working? Ooh. That's cool. You can park your trailer? Nice. Ladder. Oh no. Bonk. Okay. Don't mind the engine start noise. It's not broken, I promise. Okay, the wheels are still absolutely broken. Yeah, if you forgot, in the last episode, we also left this lady's friend out in the middle of the ocean somewhere. And how I know that is because I turned off NPC damage so they wouldn't die, because it's just a pain to deal with them when they die and a waste of materials. So, yeah, you guys let me know if you find the other guy before I do. I'm gonna come in here. Boop, boop, boop. And then I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna come here. Teleport back home. Help me, I'm dying. Man. Alright. Ow. Ow. What's the dog doing? Okay then. I'm not even gonna bother. Yeet. Ow. Totally worth it. I don't have any regrets. Well, I tried to open my map at the same time I did this. So. There we go. Pretty sure. Why is it way over there? I'm pretty sure I remember this thing being amazing. Winch? Nice. Okay, anyways, back to what I was saying. Engine is 6. Now, if I remember correctly, yeah, there it is. So yeah, we're not using this. They need to fix that, and I know what's causing it. What's causing it is the fact that they put the engine right next to you know, your head. So obviously you're gonna overheat real fast. Anyways, we were gonna spawn a rescue dragon, weren't we? Because, you know, that's not expensive. Actually, it's not that expensive compared to most of the stuff I've been spawning. It is huge compared to most of the stuff I've been spawning, though. To be honest, I've never used this thing, so I don't know anything about it. We're just gonna go... Sorry, I was trying to get up the ladder while you opened. I didn't know it'd do that. That's the cockpit. That goes out again. That's the operator. Leave those open. We don't need the armory. Cargo bay. Whoa, my god. Rescue hatch. Holy. I need to get some friends to play this game with. Look at this. Can save the whole ocean in this thing. Oh, I feel like I need that, not the parachute. Alright then. Whoa. Oh, snap. I don't know what LG stands for, but okay. Oh, don't do that, man. Okay, this is... Okay, why is it so sensitive? Why don't we have wheels or something? I mean, we definitely did have wheels. Oh. I bet that's what landing gear stands for. What is that? Sure. What's ASC? I don't know. Huh? What on earth? Oh god. Turn it off. Okay, this is a little bit harder than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, we already checked it out. We just need to make sure we actually get it out of the hangar this time. Without, you know, yeetily deeting, here comes Peting it out the window. Okay, do you have anything... Oh, this dude's got some decent stuff back here. Wipeout client? What does that mean? Okay, I'm gonna go back to my pilot seat. No, we aren't turning that thing on. Whoa. Chill out there, buddy. Yeah, we don't want the brakes on the wheels yet. Oh no, we didn't want that. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh god. Once this thing gets air, it really, really gets air. Oh, come on, man. Again? You guys seeing this? It's literally like, as soon as it gets a tiny amount of air, it's like, oh, I'm flying now. Like, bruh. That's not how helicopters work. Let alone a VTOL. They don't just, you know, touch there and then all of a sudden they're in midair. No, believe it or not, they actually need to go forward. Turn that up. Give me my seat. At least now I know what forward thrust does. I already messed up. I bet I know. Now. Yep, there it is. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up! Stop pushing forward so much! Chill! I wasn't expecting this thing to be so hard to control. Whoa, my God. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Please don't. Please don't. Please stop. How? How did that happen? One of the things is on the roof somehow. Why is it so heavily on one side? Okay, this vehicle's not gonna work. I'm fine. I'm clearly not a helicopter person. Here we go. Okay, since I'm not a helicopter person, what am I gonna spawn to, you know, try to find something? Like, you know, a person maybe? I mean, maybe I could try another helicopter? No. Okay, then let's find a decent boat. The Y-Show's not half bad for looking for people, but it's mid. This thing should work. It's gonna lag, but it's gonna work. Jump. Winch only, okay. Get me in the captain's quarters. I said, get me in the captain's quarters. Captain. No, we don't want ballast. Everyone likes this horn. But yeah, we need the deck lights, because that's our lights, right? No, they aren't. Where's our lights then? Bridge lights, that's what I meant. No, 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 no. Okay, it's nice to have a water cannon. No buttons above me. That's better. Okay. Let me just do something real quick. I just want the fog down. We can have the wind up. I'll turn the wind up because I turned the fog down. The fog and the rain need to be at 0% for this. Actually, I kind of need the wind kind of low because of the foam. I leave the wind at like 10%. Oh, I didn't turn off NPC damage. Let's fix that. How come my damage? It says my damage is high. I clearly took damage earlier. We all seen that. Who do you guys think this idiot's gonna be at? Forget the GPS. He's there! It's him! What is that? Oh, that's a boat. Okay, so that's the let's go. Oh shit. Why is there gotta be no medics on this side of the universe? Well, I'll just set a waypoint here. Jeez, bro, you're not a Hellcat, chill. Okay, god dang. That's better. By the time we stop, we'll be right next to this dude. Yeet. Never mind. Yeah, he definitely didn't have that beepy thing on him earlier. Like when I made a video earlier, he didn't have that beeping thing. And we were not in this boat, obviously, which would have helped, to be honest, because I would have been able to see more than waves. But you know, I looked around everywhere. I just wasn't seeing it. Look at that sunset. You can see the sunset through my boat. Ain't that majestic? However, to make up for turning down the stuff to find this guy, I'm gonna see if we can survive a tsunami. It's only fair. Since I had to turn on the stuff, I should have to deal with a tsunami. I didn't turn on the stuff to, you know, really. Oh, okay, you can just jump over it. I didn't know that. Okay, bro, you're gonna get a front view of the. In fact, you're gonna be the co-pilot since you're the only one here. Just don't press any buttons, or I'll make you just sit there. We're at full throttle. Turn off the bridge lights, we don't need them on. Yes, please. You stay here, co-pilot. It's insane that someone was able to build a flippin' main overboard system. How come every boat doesn't have a main overboard system? I mean, I'm not seeing nothing. I'm also lagging to death. That's gotta be an island. I swear that was there before. Where's this tsunami? It's supposed to be here. Why are we going so slow? Oh, that's just my lag making us go slow. What did I turn for? Oh yeah, I need that. Never mind, that's not good enough. Fog, wind, rain. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh my God. Oh yes, please. No thanks. Oh snap! This is insane. I'm not gonna be able to see it coming. Probably turn deck lights off. That's it, right? Actually, I'll leave those on, but I can turn the spotlight off for sure. Never mind. Whoa! Turn spotlight. Oh my God! Yeah, these spotlights are actually somewhat useful. GPS take over. It's struggling. Oh, weird. Oh, it's not struggling. Oh no. Get back in the seat. You're going the wrong way. You gotta go to the new thing. Okay, I guess we're just gonna fall 360 real quick. I mean, it's pitch black out here. We've got quite a bit before the tsunami gets here, I guess. Oh boy. Are we outrunning it, or is it outrunning us? Oh, it's definitely outrunning us. Okay, now we go into photo mode. You can't see anything in the photo mode. It's useless. Just take a screenshot real quick. Turn off GPS. And let's master our way over this thing. Oh my nose, man. Now, if you haven't noticed, this is what I'm doing. Up and over, and then turn my foot back around. Oh snap. Wow! Talk about kick. So what I'm gonna do here, if I can, you know, okay, turn the weather back to the way it was. We survived a tsunami and some harsh weather, to say the least. Oh, the lights are on. I should use these. Yeah, I should have used those. I probably could have actually seen it coming. I wonder if I could have seen it in that, like, view thing there. Okay. Well, let me just get rid of this stupid tsunami and let it disintegrate. And, after the tsunami disintegrates, I'll just end the video, that way we can move on to the next, area, I guess. Next mission. And what we'll do in the next video, guys, is we will be going to, we're going to take this boat, finish dropping off Mr. Idiot here, who floated 20 miles away from the ship, and we just now found him. Survived the tsunami with him in the pilot seat. Co-pilot seat, I mean. And, yeah. We're going to take him back to the medic bay. And in the next video, we'll get another mission. Preferably not 100 miles away from the medic bay. And then we'll probably just save more people. Possibly save some forest fires, hopefully. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like always, peace.